Hello and welcome to the 11th video in the composition series Rainy Day. Let's go ahead and review the tune. First, we had a nice melody using the pulse keys preset on the OP1 field. And what's interesting about this effect, and you can see there's the attack, sustain, release, but this reverb is actually being modulated by a low frequency oscillator in the next setting over. So you can see here the wave is actually being shaped, so that reverb is being modulated or controlled by another signal. And that's what gives us that effect, and this animation demonstrates that nicely. Okay, next we'll go to the melody that's added, which is and that uses the Celestra preset. So in contrast, this is a fixed reverb, which is the mother reverb like the prior example. And you can see here the low frequency oscillator is not active, so it's just a static reverb. And we'll go to the tape to see the bass and drums. On track 4, we have the bass guitar, which is a little bit light in the background just to underscore the overarching melody. So after the first two measures, we had a little variety here. Just trying to enhance the theme of the tune. And then moving to the drums. So I didn't program this, I played this live over the recording to give it a more natural feel. One thing I tried to do to create a little bit more of a realistic sound with the drum samples is to use two different kicks to create an accent-like effect. So in the drum samples, I use, this is like what the beat that was used is. These two different types of kicks. I gotta watch when it double hits, but thank you very much for watching this video.